Centuries ago, when they predicted the fall of the galaxy, the Foundation was created to save humanity. But the coming of darkness was always the turning point.
The Mule is here. We're out of time.
You think I'm a monster? I have talents, you see. I can worm my way into people's minds. Convert enemies into allies. Hate into love.
I've never known such love.
Nothing hectic. Just a little nudge.
Darkness is coming. Maybe just for us, maybe for everything.
The Mule is your battle, Gaal. It's my job to ensure you're prepared.
The Mule's abilities are far beyond anything I can do. Her future was foretold.
Harry wanted you to have a better life than this.
We need Empire and Foundation to beat the Mule. We act together, or we lose.
Everything is going to end. She is the only one who can stop it.
Tell me, was this part of your plan?
This is where everything is headed.